Welcome back, FLR community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. With the FLR token distribution event just around the corner, I want to talk to you how you can actually access your FLR once it is available. This video is all about preparing for the token distribution event and is actually a precursor to my video on how you can delegate your FLR and start earning rewards. First, let's talk about exchanges. If you're due to receive FLR on exchanges, all you will need to do is access the account on the exchange. The vast majority of exchanges have announced support for FLR and have committed to distribute it to their user base within 2 weeks of the token distribution event, and that happens on the 9th of January. Sometime after the TDE, you will have the option to withdraw your FLR to a wallet, and I would highly recommend that you do this if you want to participate in delegation and governance voting and using all of the incredible apps that will launch on the FLR network. The length of time that this will take will vary from exchange to exchange, so be sure to keep up to date with the exchange that you use to see when they have distributed it to their users and will enable withdrawals. There are many wallets which actually hold FLR and allow you to interact with the FLR network. Some of those are Bifrost and MetaMask, which are free, and there are also popular hardware wallets such as Ledger Devices and Decent wallets too. If you want to be ready as you can be, you can download and set up these applications and devices in advance. Simply pick your poison, get your receiving address, and once you have your FLR on the exchange and you're able to withdraw it, you'll be able to send it over to the wallet and you're good to go. Now, here's the part that I'm sure most of you are here for, and that is how to access your FLR from a self-custody wallet. If you went through the self-custody process and participated in the XRP snapshot back in 2020, you will have linked your 0x account, which is basically your FLR or your Songbird or your Ethereum address, to your XRP account by using a website such as the XRP Toolkit. When you linked this address, you basically said, look, this is the address of an account that I own, I have access to this account, so please send my FLR here. And that's exactly what will happen. Now, some of you may not remember which address this may be, and if that's the case, you can always log into the XRP Toolkit to refresh your memory. Now, this is a perfect opportunity to highlight the importance of writing down your secret phrases, because unfortunately, if you do not have access to this account that you linked, you will not have access to your FLR. Now, with the assumption that you're all being good record keepers and have this secret phrase, all you have to do is import the secret phrase into a wallet of your choice, and it's that simple. Once connected to the FLR network and after the token distribution event has completed, you will be a proud owner of the FLR token. Now, some of you may be expecting to receive FLR on your Ledger device, meaning you inputted the Ethereum address that you have on your Ledger as the place that you want to receive your FLR. So let's talk about that and how you can prepare yourself for interacting with the FLR network. If you own a Ledger, I'm pretty sure you're familiar with Ledger Live. It's software which allows you to interact with your Ledger device. However, it does have some limitations. It does not contain an in-app browser to enable you to connect your Ledger to Web3-enabled websites. If you want to participate in the FLR network by delegating your FLR, voting on proposals, buying and selling NFTs, or participating in DeFi, you're going to need to access and connect your wallet or your Ledger to various websites. Now, I'm sure you're all aware of traditional browsers such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari, which you're probably likely using right now to watch this video. These browsers allow you to download extensions. These extensions are little tools which extend the functionality of the browser you use. For you to connect your Ledger to a website, you're going to need an extension, and in this case, we're using something called MetaMask. You can simply download it and install it on the MetaMask website, which I will leave in the description of this video. Now, the default list of networks that you can connect to doesn't actually include FLR, so we're gonna have to add it. Now, FTSO have created an incredible guide on how to do this, which I'm going to link in the description, but if you want a visual walkthrough of this document, I'll link it in the top right of this video and you can walk through it with me. It's a very simple case of just clicking on add a network and inputting all the details and basically just clicking save. Very straightforward, and yeah, after that, you're good to proceed. After the network has been added, all you have to do is click up here to the MetaMask extension and you will have to connect your wallet. So you'll be able to see a drop down here. You can see that I've got numerous networks that are connected, including Songbird. Select the FLR network, which you just added. And if you click on this circle here, you're going to have the option to connect a hardware wallet. And that's what we want to do. We want to connect our Ledger device. So simply click that. It's going to bring up this new screen here. Then you can click the hardware wallet of your choice. In this case, we're going with Ledger. And then it's going to ask you to connect your Ledger device. So let's click on continue. And you will have to open Ledger Live. Simply open the bridge down here. And there we go, we're able to import a number of different accounts. Make sure that you select the account which matches the address which you actually inputted into the XRP memo field. And I've already gone through this process, so I already have one enabled, but then you just simply click unlock. And here we go, this is the account. Once the TDE, the token distribution event concludes, which is going to take a couple of hours, then you will see your FLR in your wallet and you're ready to participate in delegation and all that good stuff you can expect from the FLR network. So next I want to cover the Exodus wallet because I see a lot of people asking about this on Twitter. Now, I don't have an Exodus wallet myself, but I'm happy to quickly walk through the solution, and of course, all relevant links will be available in the description of this video. In order for you to access your FLR, all you need to do is access the wallet where it has been sent. And for that, you need a private key or a secret phrase. First thing that you're going to do in your Exodus wallet is navigate to your XRP wallet. You're going to click on the More menu at the top right-hand corner and then click Claim Spark or FLR. Then you're going to have the option to view the FLR private key. And then all you have to do is confirm that and unlock your wallet to view your private key. Now, once you've done this, you will then be able to use this private key to import into some of the mentioned wallets which support the FLR network. And that could be MetaMask or Bifrost if you want a free solution, or even some of the paid hardware wallets too. So that's pretty much all the preparation you can do for the FLR distribution event. Please stay tuned for a future video on how to delegate your FLR and start earning rewards. If you're new here, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.